नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। खाके पी के मोटे होके चोर बैठे रेल में, चोरों वाला डब्बा खटका पहुंचा सीधे जेल में। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। उन चोरों की खूब खबर ली मोटे थानेदार ने, मोरों को भी खूब नचाया जंगल की सरकार ने। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। अच्छी नानी प्यारी नानी रुस्सा रुस्सी छोड़ दे, जल्दी से एक पैसा दे दे तू कंजूसी छोड़ दे। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। So yesterday we did reading and most of you have done reading, right? And did you write the meanings for this lesson? Yes. So we will read the meanings once until the students join. Then we will be listening, okay? Bahan, sister. Read after me. Bahan, sister. Mitra, friend. Mitra, friend. खेलना, play. खेलना, play. खेलना, play. मैं, I. मैं, I. मेरा, मैं. मेरा, मैं. तुम, you. तुम, you. वह, she. वह, he or she. He or she. वह, he or she. अच्छा लगना, like. अच्छा लगना, like. L-I-K-E, like. नाम, name. N-A-M-E, name. नाम, name. उसका, his or her. His or her. उसका, his or her. Okay, see here, सही वाक्य पर स्माइली, ओके, स्माइली का फेस, और फिर देखिए का और गलत वाक्य पर सैड, ओके, उदास। यहाँ पर हंसता हुआ चेहरा और उदास चेहरा। चेहरा मीन्स व्हाट? फेस, स्माइलिंग फेस, एंड उदास मीन्स सैड। ओके, चिन्ह लगाइए। So mark the face, smiley face when it is a right sentence or correct sentence, and if it is wrong sentence you have to keep a sad face. Okay, put smiley on the right sentence and sad on the wrong sentence. मेरी नाम लक्ष्मी है। अभी इसका उत्तर कौन देगा? सहस्रा देगी इसका उत्तर। अभी सहस्रा बोलो, मेरी नाम लक्ष्मी है करेक्ट? करेक्ट सेंटेंस और रॉन्ग सेंटेंस? सहस्रा, अभिग्नेश आप बताओ, मेरी नाम लक्ष्मी है।
ट्रू।
ट्रू, करेक्ट। श्रीकर पटेल आप बताओ, मेरी नाम, हाँ मेरी, राइट, मेरी कहोगे। श्रेष्ठ आप बताओ।
राइट मैम।
राइट,
स्माइली।
स्माइली,
यस।
मेरी नाम बोलते हैं, मेरा नाम बोलते हैं। मेरा नाम कैसे पढ़े ना? कल कैसे पढ़े आप? कल कैसे पढ़े आप? हाँ, यशस्वी आप बताओ। यशस्वी तो है नहीं। अद्वित did not join to the audio.
Yes, ma'am.
डेविड, मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी है या मेरी नाम लक्ष्मी है, क्या रहेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
मेरा नाम.
मेरी नाम, मेरा नाम।
मेरा नाम.
हाँ, मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी है, ऐसे कहना, मेरी नहीं कहना। हाँ, हाँ, तो देखिए, यह मेरी पुस्तक है, ऐसे कह सकते हैं, यह मेरी पुस्तक है। या पुस्तक क्या है? स्त्रीलिंग है। ओके, बस्ता क्या है? बैग मीन्स पुल्लिंग है। सो यह मेरा बस्ता है। नाम भी यहाँ पर मेरा कहेंगे, नाम को, मेरी नहीं। मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी है, ऐसे कहेंगे, ठीक है। तो आपको कौन सा स्माइल, कौन सा फेस बनाना है? उदास चेहरा बनाना है या या नहीं तो हंसता हुआ चेहरा बनाना है? कौन सा चेहरा बनाना है आपको, बताइए। हाँ, हर्षिनी, कौन सा चेहरा बनाओगी, बताओ बताओ। स्माइली बनाओगी या सैड फेस बनाओगी हर्षिनी?
मैम.
हाँ, क्या बनाओगी आप?
सैम मैम.
सैड, यस। तो सैड फेस बना दो सब लोग, क्योंकि ये गलत है ना। ऐसे नीचे की तरफ, ठीक है, नीचे की तरफ। तो ये मेरी की जगह आप यहाँ पर इसको सर्किल कर देना और यहाँ पर मेरा लिख देना, ठीक है। मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी है, मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी है। आयान कहेगा अभी दूसरा आंसर। मैंने खाना खा लिया, करेक्ट है सेंटेंस?
करेक्ट मैम.
करेक्ट, गुड। मैंने खाना खा लिया। तो आप कौन सा फेस बनाओगे?
हैप्पी फेस.
हैप्पी फेस बनाओगे, स्माइली फेस।
मैम प्लीज अनम्यूट मी. हर्षिनी.
Harshini, you can't do by yourself. Okay. अभी मेधा देगी उत्तर। मेधा, वह लोग आ गए हैं। स्माइली फेस उतारोगी या उदास? वह लोग आ गए हैं। हाँ, say louder, say louder. Sad face? Yes, it is correct. Good. But can you give the correct answer then? Can you give the correct answer then? Arham will give the correct answer. Arham, give the correct answer. Arham, give the correct answer. You are unable to unmute yourself. यहाँ से मैंने किया है, आपको ही करना है। काविश, आप दोगे करेक्ट आंसर?
हाँ.
हाँ, बोलिए। वह लोग आ गए हैं।
वह लोग आ गए हैं, ये सही है.
सही है। यहाँ पर देखो, अभी मैं बताऊंगी आपको। लोग यानी एक है या दो है या एक से बढ़कर है या एक ही है? वह आ गया है। इधर सुनिए, हाँ सुनिए सब लोग, एवरीबडी लिसन हियर। वह आ गया है, वी कैन से वह आ गया है। इट मीन्स ओनली अ सिंगल पर्सन, राइट? सिंगल पर्सन, वी कैन से वह आ गया है। But here it is like log. Log in the sense here more than one, one person. And aa gaye. Okay, with this also gaye, gaya we can say for one person. Gaye means we can analyze that it is more than one person. Then for more than one we have to use ve. Okay, we have to use ve, not vah. Okay, fine. So what you need to write is, now you have to draw a sad face or happy face now. Which face you will be drawing? Sad face. A sad face. And in the place of vah, we need to write वे. क्या लिखना है हमें? वे. वे लोग आ गए हैं. ओके, वे लोग आ गए हैं. So remember, for ekavachan, it means like for a single person, for a singular form, we are using yah, vah. And if you are using for a plural form, in the next lesson you will be learning. Okay, if you are telling the plural form, you will be using ve, ye. Okay, ये मेरे कलम है. If there are more than one kalam. If there is only one kalam, again we can say यह मेरा कलम है. मेरे, मेरा. We are changing here also. If it is plural form, we are saying मेरे. If it is like वे मेरे भाई है. Okay. If it is like plural form, two brothers, we can say मेरे. And if it is a singular form, we can say वह मेरा भाई है. मेरा. Okay. So वह and मेरा, मेरे, वह, वे. When to use? मेरा means singular, मेरे means plural, and वह means singular. Again, वे means plural. Okay. So like that it varies. So we will write many sentences on this in the previous, like in our next class. No problem, no issues. Like we will go with the next lesson also. We have this. Okay. तुम भोजन कीजिए. Is it a right sentence? तुम भोजन. With तुम, what did I said you? Rohin, what should we use with तुम? Here, whom. For example, if I am writing here, whom. So with which word we will be using whom? Can anybody? Yes. Can anybody reply this? With which word we will be using whom? With tum or my or aap? With what word we will be using whom?
आप.
आप. With आप. आप खाते हूँ. ऐसे कहते हैं क्या?
No.
हाँ. मैं के साथ आएगा हूँ, या तुम के साथ आएगा, या आप के साथ आएगा? किसके साथ आएगा हूँ? हूँ किसके साथ आएगा? हाँ,
मैम तुम.
तुम खाता हूँ. तुम खाता हूँ, ऐसे कहते हैं क्या? हाँ. मैं. Okay, मैं. हाँ. After saying two, and then again you will throw a stone on the third one. Okay, right? हाँ. मैं खाता हूँ, मैं गाता हूँ, मैं नाचता हूँ. Okay, Veda darling, where are you and what are you doing? Sahasra, no attendance in the class. हाँ. मैं खाता हूँ, मैं खेलता हूँ, मैं पीता हूँ, मैं गाता हूँ. अद्वित, तो हूँ किसके साथ रहेगा? मैं के साथ रहेगा, है ना? मैं हूँ. मेधा, She is unable to hear me. I will call her parent today. मैं के साथ हूँ रहेगा, ठीक है? मैं के साथ हूँ रहेगा एंड तुम के साथ हो रहेगा। तुम के साथ हो हो कहाँ पर यूज होता है? तुम खाते हो, तुम गाते हो, तुम नहाते हो, तुम नाचते हो, तुम है क्या है किसके साथ यूज होगा? आप हम ऐसे, ठीक है? हाँ, आप खाते हैं, आप गाते हैं, आप जाते हैं, ऐसे, ठीक है? तो तुम यहाँ पर भोजन कीजिए नहीं, तुम भोजन करो। ओके, भोजन करो, या नहीं तो हम ऐसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, वहां पर तुम की जगह आप लिख सकते हैं। आप भोजन कीजिए, तुम भोजन कीजिए नहीं, आप भोजन कीजिए, आप भोजन कीजिए। आप अगर कीजिए लिख रहे हो, इतना रेस्पेक्ट से जब आप कह रहे हो, तो यहाँ पर तुम की जगह आप ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ, तो यहाँ पर देखिए, व्हाट यू शुड डू इज you have to write a sad face here. Okay, sad face, as it is a wrong sentence. उदास चेहरा बनाओगे, उदास, और ये तुम की जगह आप यहाँ पर आप लिखोगे। आप is more respect word. Okay, if you give more respect for the elders, or else you can use for the small children also with respect, you can say आप बहुत सुंदर, मतलब अच्छा दिखता है। ओके, बात करने में अच्छा दिखता है, यानी आप अगर तेलुगु में कहोगे मीरू, ओके, सो मोर रेस्पेक्टेबल वर्ड। ओके, आप भोजन कीजिए। ओके, और फिर देखिए नेक्स्ट वन, हम खेलने जा रहे हैं। अभी ये बताइए, कौन बताएगा ये सही सेंटेंस है या गलत है? हाँ, इज इट अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस? Which face we need to draw here? No answers.
Smiley face.
Smiley face. Good. Yes, good. हम
Smiley
है, with हम है, it is matching, is it? Yes, है. Okay. हम खेलने जा रहे हैं, हम खेलने जा रहे हैं। हाँ, तो मैंने खाना खा लिया, हम खेलने जा रहे हैं। Only two correct sentences were there. Other than that, everything was incorrect. Okay, and the which is incorrect we are circling, and what we need to replace, which word we need to replace with that word, even we are writing that, isn't it? So everybody's, I hope it is completed. कंप्लीट हो गया सबका? लिखा आप लोगों ने? डेट भी लिखी है आज की, ठीक है? और इसके बाद में आपको क्या करना है, ये सारे शब्द जो जितने हैं ये पूरे, this all words, how many are there? See, 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 7 are 35 words are there. They are all together 35 words. So these all 35 words you are going to write only words in your notebook now. Only words, and I will be seeing everybody whether you're writing or not. And tomorrow is a dictation on this. Yesterday we had reading test. Today, so tomorrow we will be doing dictation on this.
Ma'am, we have to write those
All the words, read and write. Don't simply write, simply copywriting you should not do. You have to read and write. Okay, however you write, it's okay. If you're writing vertical form or however you write, I want everyone to write this without seeing. If I say uske, you have to write correctly. That I want. However you want, it's not an issue. You have to read and write all the words. Okay. मैं, मेरा, read and write, all of you. Read and write. And these children, Yashasvi, Rohin, David, you did not turn on your video, and I'm not understanding whether you're writing or what are you doing. Like today I have found Medha doing something, turning and doing something and not concentrating in the class. So I'm going to call her mother today. Whoever is not turning on their video, I'm going to call their parents and you will be punished for this. You should be attentive in the class. Yes, you have to write this all words. All the words you have to read and write. मैं, मेरा, come on, read all of you after me. मैं, Abhignesh. Yes. Yes, Medha, what were you doing? Tell me, Medha.
Ma'am, my friend was coming in. I turned back to see who it was.
No, something was there in your hand. The other laptop or something was there in your hand. And I was keeping on shouting, but you did not respond. Yes, Medha? Something else you were seeing, no? Am I right?
Ma'am, your video got... Ma'am, your video... I didn't hear anything, ma'am. I didn't hear anything.
But how could it be? I was able to see you.
Audio.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, your audio is getting stuck, or is it my audio?
But everybody is able to hear it properly, right? Okay, Medha, then at least did you do the classwork today's? What bit I have taught you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I did. I'll show you too.
Okay, you have to show me, and then you will be
I
writing
was
these
playing
words.
because I already finished.
Okay,
I was
fine.
playing because I was already finished.
Okay, fine. And write down the classwork now. Take out your Hindi notebook and write these words. All 35 words are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Write those all 35 words and tomorrow prepare for dictation. Okay. I may ask any word to write. You have to write without seeing. Okay. Come on, write down. मैं, मेरा, read and write. Shrestha, are you writing? मेरी, मेरे, मैंने, मुझे, मुझको, तुम, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारी. See here, these words, tumhara, tumhari. If you use this, here there is samyukta vyanjan, ma half. Okay. There maybe you will find difficult. So, just practice these words, how to write tumhara, tumhari, tumhare, and tumhe. Rest of all is just based on matra and very easy. Okay, here in this line you will find oki matra, but teacher is not going to say you in a sequence of oki matra. Teacher is going to say use and then usko. Then use is eki matra and usko is oki matra. So which matra, which sound? Remember, uski means badi ki matra. Okay, so that all like hamra, not hamara. So hamra means no matra, hamara. If I'm saying hamara, there is two आ की मात्रा. माँ के पास एक आ की मात्रा है, रा के पास और एक आ की मात्रा. तो हमारा. So like that you have to read, pronounce properly and write correctly. Then you can write the correct words tomorrow for the dictation. And tomorrow, how many of you are getting 10 out of 10 in the dictation? Raise your hand. Who is getting 10 out of 10? Yes.
Mommy.
Good. Good.
Mommy.
Good. So everybody should get tomorrow 10 out of 10, especially David, and Advait, okay, Sahasra, all, everyone. Okay. Sai Shreyansh, are you writing? Are you writing? Did you started writing? Did you do this bit of textbook? Have you done? Sai Shreyansh, speaks to me. श्रेयांश क्या कर रहे हो फिर? क्यों ऑन किया आपने वीडियो? सिर्फ सिंपली ऐसे बैठोगे तो कैसे चलेगा? हाँ, क्लास में ज्वाइन हुआ है आपने तो आपको कुछ करना है ना? Simply joining the class and sitting doesn't make the sense, right? You're joining the class for learning something, right? So you have to do. Take your books. Simply you are sitting in front of the camera and you are not having any books with you. You are not writing anything. And when we are calling you with the books, and books are empty. We have found many books empty without writing anything. Parents are doing classworks and homeworks, not the students. Why like this? Huh? Feel your home as a school for the half day. Sahasra, what is the way of sitting? Are you sleeping or sitting? Sahasra, take a pad. Sahasra, take a pad. Sit properly. Better to replace not in a bed. You should be on a table and chair. Your sitting posture should be very nice, children. Whole day, how will you manage on the bed? Don't be on the bed. No one should be on the bed from tomorrow.
And if we are on the bed, we will get a very soon sleep also, no, ma'am.
You will be sleeping in the class then. No attentiveness. So arrange yourself on a table, chair, and sit properly and feel that you are at the school for the half a day, and be attentive in the classes and listen to the classes and write, complete your notes on a proper time. The given work should be completed. For example, today's work, everything should be completed today itself. No pending works, children, because like we will be like in the theme 4, you are going to come to school again and you are going to physically show your books, and all the students are attending, not the parents are attending. This time students are going to attend, and we are going to ask everything. What did you learn for this theme? Then only you are going to enter for the theme 5. Otherwise again you will be learning theme 4 only. Whoever's notes and course books and all the textbook bits are incomplete, they are learning the theme 4 again and again until you complete. You won't be upgraded to the next class even, as Reen ma'am also have informed today's assembly, and many of you are not attending the assembly. Still, who is not writing? Vishnu? Sai, did you bring?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
When I asked you, you were sitting simply, and when I asked you for the books and you did not turn on your camera now. Shreyansh, are you there? Are you writing? Vishnu, audio is also gone. Vishnu, are you writing? Vishnu, everything was incomplete. Your books were simply blank. And later you were sending like messages, I am having incomplete, send this page to me, that page to me, and you have irritated all the subject teachers in theme 3, right?
Ma'am, Vishnu said me to send the math course book.
Then what is the use of attending the classes? Completed, Yashasvi, all 35 words completed. Do not sit simply. And are you reading and writing? Advit, you are not writing. No attentiveness. Advit.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not reading, you are not writing. You are sitting simply. I'm seeing you. I'm observing.
Yes, madam.
Advit, wait. Today I'm coming to your home and you will be at hostel. Tomorrow onwards, you will be in hostel. David, what about you? Are you writing? David. David, are you writing? Yes. Good. Write neatly. Read and write. Are you reading and writing? David, are you reading and writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Read and write. Read and write. You are able to read, right? Read and write. Only the most of the words are of A ki matra and A ki matra and badi ki matra. If you like, and O ki matra is at the end and choti u. So you have to like just relate to the sounds. A sound, U sound, E sound, O sound. Okay. Akshatrishi. Akshatrishi, are you there? No audio. Did not connect
Ma'am.
audio. Akshatrishi, are you writing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Why is the video not on today? Shreyansh, are you writing, beta? Shreyansh. Shreyansh, did you started writing? Harshini, are you writing? Harshini, Rohin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And still
Ma'am, my video
Ranav.
is on.
Ranav, video is not on and no reply. Yesterday I was keeping on shouting. Ranav, what happened to you? Ranav, are you writing, Ranav?
Ma'am.
Shrita, where are you? I'm unable to find you. Shrita. Shrita, you are watching TV whole day. During the classes also, right? During the classes also in the middle you are watching, right? Yes, Shrita?
No, ma'am.
Why no? We know everything we are seeing from here. Do not go near the TV, near like when the online classes are going on, this and that together you are doing, right?
Yes. I didn't understand you,
You will
ma'am.
not understand what you will be doing. You are very too clever. You are acting too smart nowadays. Don't show over smartness, right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Be attentive in the class. Be attentive. Concentrate. This is for your good only we are saying, right? So don't do all masti. During the classes, no masti at all. Okay. Focus and be serious regarding your studies.
Finish, ma'am.
Good, good. Learn. Tomorrow you should be perfect. Like you should get 10 out of 10 then.
Okay, ma'am.
Be serious regarding your classes, children, and do not have any pending work. So I'm ending the class as the time is up. Do your classwork, all the classwork and like textbook part also should be completed. Fine. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Prepare well for dictation tomorrow, right? Okay. बाय।
Bye, ma'am.